Hello viewers, how have you been? Welcome again to ChinaGirl's channel. In today's class, we'll be discussing verbs. I am certain after today's class, you'll be able to make a lot of sentences with the verbs that we'll be discussing today. In order for you not to miss a single class, please turn on your notification button so that you won't. Subscribe if you are yet to, like, then share please. And if you have any question or any suggestion, please drop them in the comment section. Let's go to the class. Oh yes, welcome to the class. As introduced already, today we'll be treating verbs. In Chinese, 动词, 动词, verbs. Let's go. First, 吃, 吃, 吃. Don't forget that's the first one. 吃, that's eat, to eat. Example is 我在吃饭. 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 I am eating. 来 来 come, that's to come. 请过来 请过来 please come. 请过来 please come. 去 let's go, to go. 请回家请回家请回家请回家 please go home. 请回家 please go home. 喝 drink. 请喝水请喝水请喝水 please drink some water. 请喝水 please drink some water. 给 give, to give. 请给我一杯水请给我一杯水请给我一杯水请给我一杯水请给我一杯水 please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. 写 write, to write. 请写一下请写一下请写一下 please write it down. Please write it down. 请写一下 don't forget to write your class down in a note. Do not forget that. 请写一下 Then 7. 玩 play. 我们出去玩我们出去玩我们出去玩 Let us go out and play. Like, let us go out and play. 我们出去玩学 study 学 study, that's to study. 多学这个课多 that is 多学这个课多学这个课 Sorry, she doesn't have it then. 多学这个课 that is study this class repeatedly. 多学这个课 study this class repeatedly. 做 cook 做 cook. This 做 here, the character will tell it the difference. It also represents to sit, but it's only the character, that is this way of writing, that will tell you the particular zwo we are talking about. Either is to cook or is to sit. What happened? So the zwo we are talking about here is to cook. So 我妈妈在做饭我妈妈在做饭 My mother is cooking. 我妈妈在做饭，我妈妈在做饭。My mother is cooking. Then 10, 喜欢，喜欢，喜欢，喜欢。This is third tone. 喜欢，喜欢。That is like to like. 我喜欢这个课。I like this class. Do you? Nena, that is do you or and you. 我喜欢这个课。Nena, I like this class. I just added Nena. It's a way of asking another person. So I don't know if you have any questions, but let's read this again. 吃，吃，来，来，去，去，喝，喝，给，给，写，写，玩，玩，学，学，做，做，喜欢，喜欢。Thank you very much for paying attention. And this last word says 喜欢. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification button in order not to miss the next class. And in the next class, we'll be discussing the 7 W's. Who, why, where, there, and the rest. And how to make use of them. Once again, if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, drop them in the comment section. And don't forget to share so that others could join us in this class. Thank you.